Are you BSc Agriculture graduate looking for exciting job opportunities in Dubai? Look no further. In this video, we will explore various job options available for BSc Agriculture graduate in Dubai along with corresponding salary ranges. So let's dive in. First is agricultural consultant. One of the prominent career paths for agriculture graduate in Dubai is that of an agricultural consultant. As an agricultural consultant, you will be provide expert advice to farmers, agribusiness and government agencies on agricultural practices, crop and management and sustainable farming methods. In Dubai, the salary for agricultural consultant with a BSc agriculture can range from 8,000 dirham to 15,000 dirham per month, depending on experience and expertise. Farm manager. Another exciting career option for BSc agriculture graduate in Dubai is farm manager. As an farm manager, you will be oversee the day-to-day operations of a farm, ensuring efficient production, managing staff, and implementing agricultural strategies. In Dubai, the salary for a farm manager with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 10,000 dirham to 20,000 dirham per month, depending on the size and complexity of the farm. The next is agricultural researcher. If you have a passion for scientific research and career as an agricultural research might be the perfect fit for you. Agricultural research conduct experiment, analyze data and develop innovative technique to improve crop yield, enhance plant genetics and mitigate agricultural challenges. In Dubai, the salary for an agricultural research with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 8,000 dirham to 12,000 dirham per month, depending on the research institute or organization. Agribusiness manager. Dubai thriving agribusiness sector offers excellent opportunities for BSc agriculture graduate interested in management roles. As an agribusiness manager, you will be oversee the commercial aspect of agriculture such as marketing, sales, supply chain management and agribusiness development. In Dubai, the salary for an agribusiness manager with a BSc in agriculture can range from 12,000 dirham to 20,000 dirham per month, depending on the size and profitability of the agribusinesses. Agricultural procurement specialist. Agricultural procurement is a crucial aspect of the industry, and BSc agriculture graduate can find rewarding opportunities as agricultural procurement specialist. In this role, you will be responsible for sourcing agricultural products, negotiating contracts, and ensuring a reliable supply chain for the industry. In Dubai, the salary for an agricultural procurement specialist with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 8,000 dirham to 15,000 dirham per month, depending on the organization and level of experience. Next is food safety officer. Ensuring the safety and quality of the agricultural products is a paramount in the industry. BSc agriculture graduate can pursue a career as a food safety officer responsible for implementing and monitoring food safety standards, conducting inspections and ensuring compliance with regulations. In Dubai, the salary for a food safety officer with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 7,000 dirham to 12,000 dirham per month, depending on the organization and level of experience. Next is sustainable agriculture specialist. As and sustainability becomes increasingly important in agriculture, there is a growing demand for BSc agriculture graduate as an sustainability agriculture specialist. In this role, you will develop and implement sustainable farming practices, promote environmental conservation, and enhance resource efficiency. In Dubai, the salary for a sustainable agriculture specialist with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 8,000 dirham to 15,000 dirham per month, depending on the organization and level of expertise. Agricultural educator. If you have a passion for teaching and sharing knowledge, a career as an agricultural educator might too be the perfect fit for you. As an agricultural educator, you will be educate farmers, students, and the community about modern farming techniques, sustainability practices, and agricultural advancement. In Dubai, the salary for an agricultural educator with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 7,000 dirham to 12,000 dirham per month, depending on the educational institute and level of experience. Hydroponic specialist. With the rise of urban farming and controlled environment agriculture, BSc agriculture graduates can explore opportunities as a hydroponic specialist. In this role, you will be design, implement, and manage hydroponic system to grow crops without soil, maximizing efficiency and sustainability. In Dubai, the salary for a hydroponic specialist with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 8,000 dirham to 15,000 dirham per month, depending on the organization and level of expertise. Agricultural marketing specialist. Agricultural products need effective marketing strategies to reach consumers and international markets. BSc agriculture graduates can excel as a agricultural marketing specialist responsible for developing marketing campaigns and conducting market research and promoting agricultural products. In Dubai, the salary for an agricultural marketing specialist with a BSc in agriculture typically ranges from 8,000 dirham to 15,000 dirham per month, depending on the organization and level of experience. Dubai's dynamic and rapidly growing agricultural sector continues to offer diverse career opportunities for BSc agriculture graduates. Whether you are interested in consultancy, farm management, research and agribusiness, agricultural procurement, food safety, sustainable agriculture, agricultural education, hydroponics or agricultural marketing, there is a role for you. Remember, the salary ranges provided are approximate and can vary based on factors such as experience, qualifications and the specific employers. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the potential job roles and salary ranges from BSc Agriculture graduates in Dubai. Now it's time to take the next step and embark on an exciting career journey in the thriving agricultural sector of Dubai. Best of luck. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel AgriFutura and stay updated for more career related contents. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, take care and goodbye.